What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where you can't make this up. A day after I did my live presentation yesterday on the Maserati Grecale builds that I had, revealing the specs that these order builds had and that were coming to the dealership, has now just been thrown out the window. Now, the cars are real, the specs are real, but they will not get built, all right, until next year because of the fact that the presentation of the Maserati Grecale just got postponed. Yes, a spring of 2022 debut due to the situation regarding the interruption of the supply chain of the important components to complete the production process of the cars, like the semiconductors, which we knew that this was going to happen. And this is probably going to be bad news for the Tonale as well, but I don't want to get ahead of myself. So due to the lack of or shortage of semiconductors, the quantity of production would not allow to adequately respond to the global demand expected for the new Grecale. So they can't make enough vehicles in order to really get this car out there when it debuts. The second SUV of the Trident will be a product characterized by extremely innovative contents, especially as regards to connectivity and the human-machine interface. Now, this news certainly would not make all those who were waiting impatiently for the new Maserati Grecale happy, even considering the increasingly frequent sightings. I mean, these pictures I'm showing you here is a US spec prototype that was just shown in the streets of Turin a couple of days ago. Now, thanks to the latest rumors, we do know that the new Grecale will rise on the Giorgio platform, shared by his cousin, the Alfa Romeo Stelvio and Giulia. The second SUV of the Trident should be offered with different engines, like that 300 horsepower automatic and that 530 horsepower automatic we were talking about in yesterday's reveal. But there could also be a top-of-the-range Trofeo model, which could use the new 3-liter Nettuno V6 twin-turbo engine debuted in the MC20. But at this point, we're going to have to wait for an official debut date because of the postponement of the November 16th date, which was less than a month away. We were almost there, guys. So again, the live stream that I did are actual Grecale builds, but they were in no way, in any shape or form, ready to be built yet. They were just orders. They were on the list. So those orders are going to get moved at least 5 months now into spring of 2022, hopefully March of 2022, for a build. So we probably won't see the Grecale until maybe close to summer of 2022. This is turning into an issue, and I think the Tonale again is going to have this same issue. It's already been, postponed once. I don't see why the Tonale wouldn't have the same problem as the Grecale, and this is going to be a disaster for release dates from here on forward. So with that said, what do you guys think? What do you think about the news just all of a sudden out of nowhere of the Grecale being postponed? Let me know down in the comments below if you're as hurt as I am with this one. And with that said, if you guys found this video informative, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on the presentation debut postponement of the Maserati Grecale from November of this year to spring of next year. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down below where I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, my Cash App, and my Venmo, just in case you guys want to donate $1 or $2 to the channel. I appreciate the love and support. You guys can also check out the Ron's Rise merch in case you want hoodies, long sleeve shirts, t-shirts, stickers, coffee mugs, everything Ron's Rise is there. Use the coupon code SPOOKY though. You will get 25% off your entire purchase this month. And if you guys want to check out my TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, see everything I'm posting, Ferrari, Maserati, and Alfa Romeo, it doesn't always make it here to the channel. And make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click that notification bell so you don't miss one video. With that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise video. Peace.